7 fastest effective legs exercise. Subscribe, like and share this channel. The exercise number 1 is the dumbbell goblet squat. Dumbbell goblet squat. Target muscles, quad muscles, pectoral, femoris and versus latalis quad muscles. The legs workout. This workout is very effective for your legs muscles, and you can do every day. And second exercise is the leg press, 10 to 12 reps as per beginner, intermediate, advanced and rest. But you should wear gym belt and the knee support during this workout. During this workout is very good workout. Is the very good workout for your legs muscles. Third exercise, leg extension by machine workout. Leg extension is very good workout for quad muscles. Look at his muscles position. He is the red color, vastus medius and erectus. This is the very good exercise. You should stretch your back is straight. And then fourth exercise is the laying leg curl. Laying leg curl is very good workout for your legs muscles. Laying leg curl, there are too many muscles positions you can see. So by this workout your muscles become scribed. So you should like and subscribe my channels. This channel is very good. Another workout exercise number 5 is dumbbell sumo squat. Dumbbell sumo squat is very good workout for your legs muscles. And legs has the big muscles. There are different types of muscles, glutes maximus muscles and another important muscles. This is the sumo squat, where